Hello everyone, welcome to my crochet tutorial where we'll be making this adorable little bear. If you enjoy this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more fun projects. Let's get started. For round 1, we're starting with the bear's head. Begin with a magic ring and work 6 single crochets into it. That's it, nice and simple. You've got this. Tip: pull the tail tight to close the ring neatly. Next, for round 2, we're increasing in every stitch around. So do an increase in each stitch. That's 6 increases total, giving us 12 single crochets. Great job doubling the size. Tip: keep your tension even so your circle stays nice and flat. For round 3, we'll repeat this pattern 6 times. 1 single crochet, then an increase. That brings us to 18 single crochets. You're doing amazing. Look at that head taking shape. Tip: use a stitch marker to keep track of your rounds. Moving to round 4, here's the pattern. Single crochet in the next 2 stitches, then an increase. Repeat that 6 times and you'll have 24 single crochets. Awesome work. It's growing beautifully. Tip: count your stitches to make sure you're on track. For rounds 5 through 10, we're keeping it steady with 24 single crochets in each round. That's 6 rounds of 24 single crochets. Take your time, you're building the perfect little head. For round 11, we're starting to decrease. Do this 6 times, single crochet in the next 2 stitches, then a decrease. That takes us down to 18 single crochets. You're shaping it so well, keep going. Tip: make your decreases tight to avoid gaps. For round 12, here's the pattern. 1 single crochet, then a decrease, repeated 6 times. That leaves us with 12 single crochets. Amazing job, the head is almost done. Tip: this is a great time to stuff your bear head with fiber fill before it closes up too much. Now let's pause and stuff the head. Grab some fiber fill and gently fill it up. Make it nice and plump, but not too tight. You're doing fantastic. It's really looking like a bear now. Let's move to the bear's body. For round 1, start with a magic ring and work 6 single crochets into it. Easy. Easy peasy. You've got the hang of this. Tip: keep your magic ring snug for a solid base. For round 2, increase in each stitch around. That's 12 single crochets total. You're a pro at this now. Tip: check your stitch count to stay on track. For round 3, work in the back loop only this time. 1 single crochet, then an increase, repeated 6 times. That gives us 18 single crochets. Love how it's shaping up. Tip: working in the back loop gives a nice texture. For round 4, do 18 single crochets all the way around. Smooth and steady, you're crushing it. Tip: keep your stitches even for a polished look. For round 5, here's the pattern. Single crochet in the next 2 stitches, then an increase repeated 6 times. That's 24 single crochets. You're building such a cute body. Tip: take a quick stretch if your hands need it. For rounds 6 and 7, work 24 single crochets in each round, 2 rounds of 24. You're in the home stretch. Tip: enjoy these simple rounds, they're so satisfying. Now for the petiole, think of it as a little stem. For rounds 1 through 3, do 5 single crochets in each round. Tiny but mighty, you're doing great. Tip, keep it small and tight. Let's make the leaf. Use 2 strands of yarn for extra thickness. Chain 6, then turn and start from the second chain from the hook. Single crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet, and then 2 double crochets in 1 stitch. Finish with a half double crochet, and slip stitch. Wow, what a pretty leaf, you nailed it. Tip, pull gently to shape it. For the ears, make a magic ring and work 5 single crochets into it. Make 2 of these. So cute already. Tip, leave a long tail for sewing them on later. And there you have it. Your adorable crochet bear is complete. I'm so proud of you for sticking with it. Doesn't it look amazing? If you love this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to make next. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next video.